It's heavy on business also, but it's nothing that you can't do. I think this is the perfect entry-level position if you're trying to work in data science. And the reason I'm giving this advice is because there's so many positions out there and so many applicants applying all for data analyst. I'm sure that they're trying to, go through all the resumes and all the assessments and everything that they're requesting from you. But it's hard because it's just so many people. That career path is just so flooded. That it's just so many people applying to that one job. Be more strategic. Start applying for business analysts. Get your foot in the door. It doesn't mean you have to work in that position for a whole year. You can work in that position as long as you really want to. Get your foot in the door. You may even like the business side as well and decide, you may even get in that role and decide you want to do business intelligence. You never know. But I think this is a better starting point if you're trying to get into data. Since the market is so flooded with data analysts, I think this is a good strategy to take. And always look at it's a positive thing because you're getting your foot in the door. Recruiters and jobs, there are tons of business analyst positions, but it's not even half the amount of people that's applying for data analyst roles that apply for a BA position. So don't be afraid to take those BA positions. Make sure you understand fully what the business analyst does. They tend to answer the whys. They tend to work with clean data, but that doesn't mean that you always work with clean data. Companies do their own thing. There are some companies that may want you to clean your data as a business analyst. Who knows? Companies are unpredictable and they make their own rules when it comes to this stuff. So, and they have the right to. So, that's just the way it is. So I wanted to give this advice. You're trying to get into data analytics. You're passionate. You're ready to go. You're excited. You've dreamed of it. Start out as a business analyst first. Get your feet wet. And then you can always move to that next role. So once you get your foot in the door, you make those connections and network with people in the area where you want to be and get closer to them and start to build up your portfolio. Start to create a good performance record first. You got to do a great job at your current role. And who knows what could happen from there. You could study something else on your downtime, but you don't have to jump right into those roles right now. And I'm trying to save a lot of people from putting so much extra stress on you when you don't really have to do it. Snatch up one of those BA roles and get out there and start working with data, all right? Till next time, if you like my videos, please like, share, subscribe. Post a comment in the box below. Until next time. All right, y'all. Peace.